In this video, I will show you how you can solve the yellow triangle showing issue on Wi-Fi. Here you see that on my Wi-Fi, the yellow triangle is showing. If I click on it, you will see that Wi-Fi is connected successfully, but the yellow triangle is showing. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to solve this problem. Open your command line interface, that is CMD, and here write the command, that is ipconfig/release. Press enter. After that, write another command, that is ipconfig/renew. Press enter and you will see that the loading sign is now showing on my Wi-Fi, and after some second my Wi-Fi working correctly. So through these commands you can solve this issue. So that's all. Hope this video will help you a lot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. If you have any questions, mention it in video comment section. Stay blessed and happy.